What's good, y'all? Base is back once again with the part 2, continuing the unboxing video. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox Burning Kerberous, my nigga Zeo from the V-Force series, the V-Force installment of Beyblade. So let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. It looks very nice. It goes to stickers, cord, see the extra parts. Very nice looking Beyblade. I used to have this Beyblade back in 05. It was called like Halloween Spirit or something. I don't know why I just couldn't name it Burning Kerberous, but you know how they always do the dubs in English. Let's go ahead and get these little parts out. I might put this together kind of fast because I'm not gonna put the stickers in because I kind of want to get this Beyblade assembled again. And the color, it looks a lot different in person because I'm pretty sure it looks like a yellow color, but it's kind of like an orange yellow. It's a nice looking, unique color. I like it. It's a nice Beyblade overall. One of the best Beyblades too, with the bearing cord. It's kind of like Woolboards, but way upgraded, way more upgraded, as I shall say. With the instruction guide open. Yeah, I don't want no. It's gonna be Japanese the whole time. Like I said, I might go kind of fast when I do it. Funny part is, cause I know Bestool was that good at the time, but I didn't care cause I was a little kid. So I was like, oh yeah, oh look, I broke my Beyblade, what's gonna happen? And actually my dad got mad at me, but it only cost $7, so he didn't even trip. Then we went back, then my hand is big as hell, I can't pick this up. Fingers, grab it. But yeah, my dad like wasn't even tripping. So I got a new one anyway. And I actually trying to get Draws at F. That's what I actually ended up getting. Was that one? And but yeah, that's how I like Beyblade. Like that's how I got my first Beyblade. That's a true story right there. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna skip through this whole process. I'll be right back. So I'm back once again with the Burning Kerberous unboxing video. As you guys can see, I put majority of the stickers on. So let's go ahead and put the whole thing together. I forgot how awesome this Beyblade looks, my nigga. This shit go crazy. Look at this. Attack ring. I like that attack ring too. It's good for smash attacks. So you know too, I'm kind of tired, y'all, because I had to go help my dad with some stuff too. So if I mess up on some words or I sound tired, y'all niggas know why. Boom, there it goes. Burning Kerberous. Long spin around real quick. Nice colors on it and all of it. And that's the video right there. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay fly for more content. Let's get it.